How can you serve somebody you don't love? How can you want to associate with? I want to hear from my guru. I want to associate with my guru. And 'cause I saw that with A.C. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada. So I met actually many different gurus in L.A. I was looking for a guru. And I didn't actually even meet him personally, but I just saw him and I just felt that just by seeing him give lectures and being in his personal, let's say, collective presence, social presence with others in the temple and class, morning walks on the beach with 20, 30 people, whatever. Class was 200 people in Los Angeles. But I felt this person is full of love. But when he sang Jai Radha Madhava, I didn't know what is this Jai Radha Madhava. But I said, this person, he's loving this Jai Radha Madhava too much. And then I also, because when you're thinking about getting married, you really check out the person you're going to get married. Check out all the details, known and unknown, and written and unwritten, and obvious and not obvious. So nothing less than that than a guru is the same. Even more so, it's more important relationship ultimately because it's nitya. Guru Shishya Sambandha is nitya, whereas Pati Patni Sambandha at best, according to the Vedic Karma Kanda, at best it's 7 lifetimes. But the Guru Shishya is not 7 lifetimes, it's 7 million lifetimes. It's whatever lifetimes it takes to get where you have to go. So that's a long-term contract. So therefore, you want to know about the person. So just by that I could understand that Prabhupada was full of love, and that's actually what I was looking for. I was looking for a guru that not only had wisdom and could answer my questions, but actually had love for a personality of Godhead. And most of the gurus that I met, famous, and one or two are even still alive today, Indian gurus, all of them, from various types of yoga disciplines. They were all very effulgent and very kind, and they're very loving persons, But they weren't emanating love for a personal God, because I believed in a personal God. I was born in that situation because that's my sanskara.